If your X account has been suspended and you want to get it back, this video will walk you through the full appeal process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to fill out, and how to submit your request the right way so you have the best chance of getting your account reviewed. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the X Help Center. Make sure you're signed in with the suspended account you want to recover, because that helps X recognize which account you're appealing for. Once you're logged in, you need to find the official X appeal form. You can access it through the X Help page, and this is the form used to request a review of a suspended account. When the page opens, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct support form before continuing. If you signed in with your suspended account, X may automatically prompt you to enter a few details. That's normal, so don't worry if you see a request for more information. Now it's time to fill out the form carefully. Enter your exact X username, your associated email address, and a clear description of the problem. Be accurate with your details because mismatched information can slow down the review process. In your explanation, keep your message polite and professional. State that you value the platform, that you believe the suspension may have been a mistake, or that you want your account reviewed, and ask them to reconsider your case. The goal here is to be respectful and concise while giving them the information they need. After you've filled everything out, check the form one more time. Make sure your username is spelled correctly, your email address is valid, and your explanation makes sense. Then complete any CAPTCHA verification that appears. This step is important because it confirms you're a real user submitting the appeal. Once that's done, go ahead and submit the form. After you send it, the next step is patience. X support will usually contact you by email using the address you provided in the form. Keep an eye on your inbox and also check your spam or junk folder just in case the reply gets filtered there. Their response may include a decision, follow-up questions, or additional instructions on what to do next. If they ask for more information, reply quickly and continue being polite and clear. That can help move things along. A few tips can improve your chances of a successful appeal. First, always be professional in your message. Avoid anger, sarcasm, or repeated spam submissions because that can work against you. Second, keep your explanation simple and honest. Third, make sure you're using the correct account email so you don't miss any updates. And finally, be patient because support reviews can take some time. So to recap, log into your suspended X account, open the official appeal form, fill in your username and email, explain the issue clearly, complete the CAPTCHA and submit your appeal. Then watch your email for X support's reply and follow any instructions they send. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your X account restored.